am standing here on the steps of the Golf Academy, the Golf Center, one of the features of the whole sports complex that we have. We have the fantastic clubhouse of 18, we have the Golf Academy, all the courts, the sport complex and the golf course in addition to the driving range. This is the heart of 18. This is a position that no one has done before. This is a unique proposition of 18 in Islamabad and in the whole of Pakistan. We have a professional facility here. Let me take you through and introduce you to all the facilities and all the corners. Okay, so let me first introduce you to our Tea Time Cafe. This is a place where the golfers will rest, will talk, will chat, will have a coffee with wonderful views over the driving range, as you can see right behind me, with wonderful views on the other side over the sports complex featuring all the tennis courts, futsal and paddle tennis. And we will go there in a while. So let's move to the next part. Let me take you to the main feature of our golf center, the simulation rooms, the training center and the TrackMan 4 technology. I would like to introduce you to Justina Basella, our golf operation manager that is running the whole academy.
Welcome to our cutting-edge simulator rooms with the best in golf technology, TrackMan 4. Here is the perfect place where you can analyze your swing, capturing every single detail of it. You can get many of the parameters of your every single shot.
So it's basically something like, like PlayStation, playing different golf courses and all of that?
It's kind of entertainment for golf, but also very good tool for professional golfers.
Yes.
Because you can get parameters such as distance, club speed, ball speed, attack angle, and many more. I can also open the shuttles or enter, like we will see in a second. Powered by TrackMan 4 enhance your game on different level. You can analyze every single aspect of your swing and see the real-time feedback. So you know if your shot was good or not, and you can see the mistake that you made.
Yes. So it's basically you are forming a young generation as well to become like golfers, professional golfers if they need in the future, right?
Definitely, it's a perfect device for practicing, training with coach and having fun with friends, with children of all families.
And in the same facility here, you have a whole driving range. Like you have the standard classic driving range where you can hit the ball outside. Can you take us to see this part?
Sure, there's perfect and amazing panoramic view.
There we go. Justina, this is a lovely driving range.
It is.
Tell me more about it. How many positions do we have here on the first floor?
We have 6 mats here.
There is also on the ground floor you have positions.
Exactly, in the same number 6 as well on the downstairs.
In addition to the simulation rooms.
Exactly.
Okay, so basically what you have is 5, 6 and 6, which makes about 17 guys can play all together at the same time.
They're very good quality. You can feel the impact and the feeling of the shots. You can play from the tee, but you can also play straight from the mat.
Okay.
So it's perfect for feeling. And actually we are on the first floor, so you can feel the distance and the ball is really high in the air. So that's great experience for everybody, even for the beginners.
We welcome all the guests and really congratulations on this lovely driving range and simulation room. It's really a golf center. You call it an academy and a golf center, and it is.
It is.
Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you so much.
We are here in one of the more of the features of the Academy and the Golf Course Training Institute. It's the Pilates room. We have 3 state-of-the-art reformer from Allegro, a very famous brand, very difficult machine to operate on. And it's such a fitness kind of tool that, trust me, is very difficult to use. It's very difficult to play on and needs a professional training, which we are, and we are certified. So this is my favorite place of the whole Golf Academy. This is just my favorite place. It's a very bright gym and fitness center. You have all the equipment here, fantastic views, lots of light coming in, fully air conditioned, featuring all the necessary machines for training, for building your body. If you're a non-golfer or if you're a golfer, you'll need those machines. You need to do that. And this is so spacious, so nice, so bright. With this view, you can see the tennis courts, you can see the futsal courts, and you can see the paddle tennis courts. But you also have a very nice, quiet yoga room. This yoga room can take up to 15 persons in one class, and it has a wonderful view over the driving range again. I am standing here in the Golf Center, the Golf Academy. It's a facility training center, but it's for everyone. It's for professionals, for amateurs, for kids, for ladies, for everyone who wants to train or to learn golf, they can come here. There's nothing like it so far in Pakistan. We built it here. We built it over more than 7,000 square foot. And it has Pilates rooms, it has yoga rooms, it has a gym and a fitness center. It has, as you said, as you've seen, it has golf course designed by IDG and in the UK with all these intricate kind of catch basins, difficult topography. It's a very challenging golf course, so you need to train well. You need to come to the academy first, use the simulation, train yourself well, and then go and play the 9 holes that have been built now. The second 9 holes are being built as well. So within the next couple of years, it will be a full grown-up 18 holes golf course.